Hey, what's up, y'all? Just wanted to provide a little bit of context in this video as opposed to a bunch of the other ones where I don't really get to talk much. So basically, TMS Productions actually put out a contest for someone to create a Jaguar ad using their provided material. They were looking for 1, sound design, 2, creativity, and 3 is just a concept that would actually showcase the car to the best of its ability. And so although I only had 4 days to actually put together the video, I thought, you know what? Editing's about learning, it's about having fun. So I gave it a shot anyway, and I actually liked a lot what came out, and I got a lot of good feedback from my friends, both creative and non. So, tell you what, if you think I did a good job and you think I progressed a little bit, like and subscribe. If you don't think I did, then you don't have to. So that's the deal, and without further ado, here is what I came up with.
Jaguar. Something beautiful you can truly own.